Okay guys, welcome to my channel, and Ethan Amazing Guy did upload this. Yo! You actually made this? Yo, this is fire, Ethan. It's cool, bro. Yo, wait, chicken news channel? Bro, Ethan, this is good. Wait, Big Kirk, see? What do you mean? I have one. Look. I have one. I have one. Chicken gun. I mean... Oh, man. Chicken gun. Bruh. Chicken gun. Bruh. Let me start. This one, I have this one. Look, Ian, I have it. It's the chicken gun crowd's avatar is error, so it turns into me. But this is Rudy the chicken. He holds a shotgun. It's nice, right?